Hello, my dear students. Hope every one of you are fine, safe, and sound. We all are really very excited to meet you tomorrow at the live session. So, before we get started, this video will help you to operate the Google Hangout app in a better way. So, let's get started. Tomorrow morning, when you'll open your Google Classroom app, you will get a post from me. In that post, you will get three things. First, you will get instructions for School at Home live session. In this, there are few instructions that you have to follow while you are on a live session with your teachers. Second, you will get a schedule for a live session. This is a timetable saying which class will have which session at what time. Third, you will get a link to join the session. It is a video meeting link. By clicking on this link, you will be directly on the page to join the meet. Before you get on the live session, there are two things that you have to keep in mind. First, you have to be on time as the session is only for half an hour. Second, please operate with your school ID because if you operate with any of your personal IDs, it won't allow you to enter the chat room. Those who will be using their phones, I would request you to please download Google Hangout app. And those who will be using their laptops can automatically click on this link and you will be on that page. So when you click on this link, you will be on a page like this. Here, can you see these two buttons? The first one is for the microphone and the second one is for the camera. Before you join the meeting, I would request you to turn your microphone off. When you turn your microphone off, the color of this button will turn red as you can see it on my screen. Here I have turned it off, that's why it's red in color. And if you turn off your camera, the button will turn red. I would request you not to turn off your camera tomorrow as your teachers are eagerly waiting to see you. After muting your mic, you can go to this button, join now, and when you click this button, you will reach on this page. That means you have joined the chat room. I would request you to place your mic on mute when you are in the chat room. Now you would be wondering, how will you communicate if you are on mute? There is a second option to communicate in this chat room. You can see when you go to extreme right hand side above, you see a chat button here, a dialog box. When you click on this window will appear. Here you can type in. So my suggestion is, as soon as you enter this room, you can say hi to your friends, you can write your name and as and when you have any query, you can just type in your query. Your teacher can see this chat box and can answer accordingly. Thank you.